Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Ghosts. This classic first-person shooter offers a thrilling experience, whether you are new or returning. We will cover essential strategies to help you dominate the battlefield. Focus on mastering your movement, aiming, and understanding the unique flow of each match. Getting comfortable with the controls is your first step to becoming a formidable player. To excel in multiplayer, map awareness is absolutely crucial. Always keep an eye on your minimap to track enemy movements and friendly positions. Avoid rushing into the center of maps, as this often leaves you vulnerable from multiple directions. Instead, try sticking to the outer edges, which naturally limits enemy approach vectors. Effective team communication also provides a significant advantage in objective-based modes. Your loadout is key to success. Select a primary weapon that suits your playstyle, whether it's an assault rifle for mid-range engagements or a submachine gun for close quarters. Attachments like extended magazines or suppressors can significantly improve your weapon's effectiveness. The perk system allows for flexible customization. Choose perks that boost your speed, stealth, or defensive capabilities to gain an edge. Beyond the basics, advanced tactics can elevate your game. Incorporate jump shots and drop shots into your gunfights to make yourself a harder target. Remember to use the dynamic map elements, like destructible environments, to your advantage. Don't forget to explore the unique game modes, such as the cooperative extinction mode or the strategic squads, offering diverse challenges and fun experiences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.